If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 215, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a minute or two. This error is often caused by a temporary login issue, a browser extension conflict, or corrupted cookies and cached data, so we're going to go step by step and clear those out safely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, try the simplest fix. Log out of your X or Twitter account completely, then log back in again. Sometimes your session just needs to refresh, and signing out and signing back in can immediately clear the error. Once you've done that, check if the issue is gone. If error code 215 is still showing, the next thing to try is your browser extensions. Look at the extension area in your browser and click the extension that may be blocking the site, especially an ad blocker. If you see an option to turn off the ad blocker for x.com or Twitter, click that and disable it. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with how the site loads, which can trigger login or access errors like this one. After turning it off, refresh the page and test X again. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective ways to solve browser-related errors. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. On that screen, make sure cookies and cached files are selected. If you want to be extra safe, you can leave passwords unchecked so you don't remove saved login information. Then clear the data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close and reopen your browser, go back to x.com and sign in again. In many cases, this fresh start removes the corrupted data, causing error 215. If the error still appears, repeat the steps one more time and make sure your ad blocker is fully disabled for the site. A combination of logging back in, turning off ad blocking, and clearing cookies and cache solves most x.com and Twitter error code 215 issues. So to recap, log out and log back in, click your extension and turn off the ad blocker, then press Ctrl+Shift+Delete and clear cookies and cache. Hopefully one of those fixes gets you back into X without the error. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.